The source pipe is backfiring. In the instrument cluster, the jet engine witness is flashing and then remains still. Error code is found. This is the 304 error. It stands for a misfire in the fourth cylinder. It can be a faulty injector, ignition coil, or spark plug. We create a voltaic arc with each coil with a screwdriver or another tool. The first coil is OK. The second cylinder is spark too. The tail gave me a shock, so it's OK. But the fur is faulty. The spark don't jump. Now the ignition coil pack is changed for one from a scratch jar. Its value €50. We test again the jet engine. Finally, the diagnosis tool don't find any faulty code. The problem is solved and the backfiring disappears.